Here's a point of fact. You have the city saying, we want you, the county, to do it this way with this public process in CEQA. Fine. That's your belief. It's not the law. We know that, right? Because the code says it's not the law. The county says in writing it's not the law, and the judge says it's not the law. Here's what's really interesting. What's the city's codes look like? They look like the county's code. So if you're developing in the city, why they got sued by me federally, you're also obligated to approve it without CEQA. They're not amending their own codes. They're trying to tell their neighbor what to do with the story. So when you look at this, you always realize that something's dark out there as to why this is. Are they like zealot environmentalists? Why are they amending their own codes? Their code is really old. By the way, if you didn't like the property being industrial by the county, why is it in your specific area plan, the city specific area plan, approved this past summer? Why is that land zone industrial there too? I mean, where do you get these arguments? Like, are you dealing with babies who have no brain? You mean, I have a good brain. I've been doing land use for 40 years. I look at this stuff and I go like, really? This is what we're going to do? And by the way, set all that aside. How is this good for Imperial County? How's it good for Imperial County? Think about this. When you're an outsider looking in, you're like, well, wait a minute. What they do down there is they spew a lot of false facts. They get the CDC people with these other people that are paid for to come on board. And then they're going to challenge you in court for CEQA when you bought industrial land that's been zoned this way for about 50 years. Think about that. What about the rights of the landowner? My rights to pick the right land. So these are the things that are there. Do I think it's going to make a difference for these people on the other side? Hell no. I don't talk to them. I mean, I'll give them the facts. I'll battle in the courts. And now I'm even doing defamation, first time in 40 years.